Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DORO 8100 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one to check whether this option will appear right here. It did not. So let's enter the settings in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on video size. And as you can see, we've got three different options, so FHD, HD, and SD. The difference is in the p-value, 1080p, 720p, and 480p. So all you have to do is tap on the option like to use. It will be immediately applied. If you can see it right here, it means that it has been applied. So from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution or size whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.